This is my final project for the real-time rendering module. This video features a Raymarcher which is implemented using OpenGL. I construct a quad onto which the scene will be rendered. The Raymarching procedure is implemented in the fragment shader. Raymarching is a rendering technique which involves sending rays out from the camera, one per pixel, and marching along the ray. At every marching step, the position of the tip of the ray is evaluated against all the sign distance functions in the scene. These sign distance functions can be used to construct and manipulate complex shapes. For my scene, I have constructed a round character which is above an altered box. Notice that the altered box is really the difference between a box and a sphere. This can be done by taking the max of the SDF of the box and the negative of the SDF of the sphere. I also show blending in the body and the head of the round creature by taking the smooth minimum of those two spheres. Additionally, I also have seemingly infinite repeating geometry in the scene by taking the modulus and the x and c components of the position being considered in the scene. This results in the xc plane being repeated as far as the eye can see. The scene also features shadows, soft shadows, and ambient occlusion. There are also point lights going around the scene which illustrate this in real time. All of these lighting effects are discussed in the report in great detail. However, some of the key ideas are approximating the normal vector on the surface of any sign distance function. Also, sending out shadow rays to determine how occluded certain points in the scene are. The point light also uses the inverse square law, which simply says that the intensity of light is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the source. Finally, the performance of this Raymarcher is on a 1080p resolution. It has an average FPS of 100 on an RTX 3070 GPU when the video is not being recorded. Still, an FPS around 70 performs well considering that one ray is being sent out per pixel for the scene in real time, even when other resources are being used such as OBS to record the video.